Hello, Post-Pollock viewers. Dave Epstein here from the Post-Pollock firm in Roseland, New Jersey. Here today to watch a video and comment on a video entitled, Woman Learns a Hard Lesson About Following the Stadium's Bag Policy. Here we go.
In this video, we're taking a closer look at an incident that happened on August 2nd in Tampa, Florida, when a woman was refused entry into the Chris Brown concert due to the venue's bag policy.
Alright, listen.
Listen, her ticket's and green the first time. Just her
We
bag.
can step over there.
Can I come in?
We can step over there.
I would rather come in.
We can
Just
talk.
to have a conversation with you.
We can talk here. We can talk
Yeah, we
because
can
the
go
bag.
back that way, but this is
The bag
a little
violates.
claustrophobic.
Bag policy. So that's what they're saying.
The bag violates policies. We can't come any further in here. We can either talk here. Or we can go over there.
Okay, so the issue
We've seen instances where stepping into a restricted area leads to an immediate arrest, but the officer here tries to de-escalate the situation.
Ma'am, step over here.
is that there's a
Step over here.
problem
Step over
with
here. Step over here.
my bag, right?
You can step outside.
Sweetheart, it's a few
You
people.
can step outside, miss. We can talk over here. You can't come in with your bag. We don't want to trespass you and prevent you from coming to the concert, but your bag violates policy.
What's the policy?
It has to be.
Yours
It's too big. It has to be clear.
I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to help you.
Again, she could be arrested right now for going farther into the venue, but the officer tries not to do that.
Stop playing.
What's so funny?
Stop playing.
Excuse me. Hey, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay.
Your bag is too big.
She then walked toward the escalators with the officer continuing to ask her to step outside.
If you don't go back to the gate, and be arrested for trespassing. Your bag violates policy.
Does it? What's
Yes,
the
it does.
What's the policy?
Don't go to the escalator.
What's the
Ma'am, just
policy?
step back to the gate.
What's the policy?
Your bag is too.
Officer Phillips, explain to me the policy.
Your bag is too big. It needs to be clear
What
or
is it?
smaller.
Why?
For public safety and efficiency.
I don't know the exact dimensions. They make the rules. Your bag is too
Officer
big.
Phillips,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the policy? So I can understand. Because I don't have a car,
Okay.
and this holds everything. So if the issue is safety, right?
Okay, folks, what we're seeing is my least favorite combination of things. That's arrogance and stupidity. The policy is right there. It's posted everywhere. I haven't gone to a venue in years where they don't have similar or the same policies. You have to have a clear plastic bag. My wife and I were going to a game at one point. She forgot she had her purse, and I should have checked. And we had to walk all the way back to the car because that's the way it works. We saw the policy, and we went back and left her purse in the car because that's the policy, and you got to follow the rules. You don't get to make up your own rules when you go to a venue. Sorry, ma'am. That's the way it works. You don't just waltz in and say, I don't know, what's the policy? Tell me the policy so I understand. She's being what we call a cutie pie there. She knows damn well what the policy is. She's just playing games, and I guess she wants to walk in with her bag. She could just turn around, go back, and leave it in her car or wherever she came from, or maybe some places will actually, they have a storage area if you have a bag and you don't want to walk all the way back. They discourage that because God knows what somebody has in that bag. Now, God forbid they have a bomb or something crazy in there or some chemical or drugs or whatever. They don't want to be responsible for safekeeping it. But she knows what's going on. She knows exactly what the policy is. She kept walking. That is by law a trespass. She's not permitted until they permit her. That is the way it works at a venue. Let's continue.
That's the only thing I'm thinking of in this whole situation about the bag. Then why don't you just check the bag?
Because they have it's a bag policy. They allow a certain size. Your bag is too big.
Yeah.
Don't try to walk.
Officer Phillips, why is your hand on me?
When you come back,
Officer Phillips, why is your hand on me?
Are not permitted on the escalator.
Because you're under arrest.
ma'am, stop.
Officer Phillips, this is your third time putting your hands on me.
Can you come back again, please?
Yeah, call somebody.
Stop.
Okay.
Stop. You're under arrest. Don't grab anything.
God. What?
Welcome to Raymond Stadium. When stepping onto the escalator, please hold the handrails and face forward.
Now, y'all messed up my makeup because y'all want to play.
It's empty.
You know, we're really going to have some.
Well, we'll explain it in just a second. I just got here,
So you
so.
don't listen. Go back over here. No, go into the security office.
On the escalator. Place all children by the hand. Escalators will be reversed.
The officer would charge her with trespassing and resisting without violence. Court records show an application for the misdemeanor intervention program was filed, but was rejected by the assistant state attorney 2 months later. A month after that, the woman's attorney of record withdrew from the case due to irreconcilable differences between her and the defendant. As of this video, the case is still ongoing.
Well, folks, should we be surprised that A, the state's attorney did not want to let her do what's called pretrial intervention. It allows you as a first-time offender, a minor offender, to enter into a program where you agree to keep your nose clean for a certain period of time. Sometimes they have different conditions. Sometimes there'll be drug or alcohol testing. There will be reporting to a probation officer periodically. It's not overly intrusive, and you just basically have to complete it. She tried to do that. The state's attorney objected, and the judge probably agreed. In New Jersey, by the way, you can get into one of those programs, for example, conditional discharge program for a drug offense, even over the objection of the prosecutor. But obviously, everybody saw this video and saw how she acted and said no. Then they said her attorney withdrew due to irreconcilable differences. And that is because she is a big jerk. She is arrogant and foolish and, has an attitude. Officer, that's the third time you touched me. Well, yeah, he tried to be nice to you, but you said, I'm just going to walk in. I don't care what the rules are. Whether it's a defiance disorder or the woman is just an arrogant jerk, it doesn't matter. Folks, follow the rules when you go to these venues. They have the legal right to search your bags. They have the right to limit what you take in. Do not walk in there and do not goad these police officers. They may be working security at a venue, but they have the right to arrest you and stop you. They have to protect other people. They're not there to explain to you why they have that bag policy. Those security guards aren't going to change that. They're not allowed. So leave them alone. Follow the rules. And please don't get yourself arrested by being a jerk. She could have just turned around and said, okay, fine. She got what she deserved. I hope you learned something from this video, folks. Please hit like, subscribe, and please leave your comments. Love to read them. This is Dave Epstein signing off for the Post Pollock firm. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Bye-bye.